Hi guys, what are we going to do today? Today we are going to use manila folders, and I had already done a video showing how to use manila folders for a bunch of projects, but I thought I'd go into it a little bit more and give you a couple templates. This is just a little matchbook, and I have paper in it, but I had done some with a piece of wool and used it as a needle case. And these are just cute little file folders. I embellish them, and you could add a note. You could actually make a little box and make your file folders to fit a box. Put a lot of them in there to store whatever it is. Note cards, recipe cards, anything you can think of. So let's just get started. So these are the two templates I put in here. This is just a generic matchbook, and you can download this, and it's at the bottom in the description. And this one is a file folder, and I put 2 on a page on this one also. But also, if you'd like to make a bigger one, I just have the notch up here that you can add to anything that you fold in half and add that on, whether it's right, left, or center. And I printed them off onto manila file folders, or you could just use a colored cardstock. So here are your templates. So after you've printed them off, you're gonna cut out your pieces, cut on the solid line, then you're gonna score where the dotted lines are. So here's the matchbook template right here. And just find some fun ephemera. You could paint it, you could type on it, you could add anything you'd like, but I have a bunch of this fun sewing ephemera. So I am just going to glue stick this on to the front of this card. You just want to be mindful that when you have your paper or whatever you put inside and staple it, you're only going to have so much room, and you're going to lose just a little bit at the bottom. Okay, so it's going to be easier if you put your paper or whatever you're going to want. You want that in there first and stapled down tight with a heavy duty stapler, depending how thick it is in here. And then you can start embellishing the top. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put inside. I thought I would just get to this stage, and then you can see. Put your personal information in. If you had a shop, you could put that in here, and people would keep it. They wouldn't wanna get rid of this. It's so adorable. So the file folders, same thing. You could embellish them any way you would like. I think this would be fun just with this on here. So I think all I'm gonna do is just glue stick this on. This is a pretty simple project. So if you made them bigger and wanted to put your recipe cards in them, you could put different themes on the front. Maybe a cute bowl of soup on one, cheeses on another, so you would know what they are, and then just also write that on there. So now I am just going to wax these, and then we'll be done. Told you this was really easy. So I know I have pen nibs on the front of this, but look how cute this would be. You could use it for a sewing kit and add needles and threads and maybe cute fabrics and do different color coordinated little files of sewing things. Or just put your recipe cards in here, and that would be really cute. Or fun little writing paper. So this one right here, we had just put paper in, but I think I could also take this one, and if I had cut a smaller piece, put fabric and needles and buttons and other fun things. And if you didn't want to staple it in, if you had it cut that way, then you could just take some sari silk or ribbon or trim and just wrap it around. But whatever you do, you guys, you know what I'm going to say. Have fun.